So we're going to talk firstly about tiered dispute resolution clauses. These are also called escalation clauses. And these are types of dispute resolution clauses that are often found in contracts for international construction and engineering projects. We'll focus in particular on tiered dispute resolution clauses, which are clauses providing for certain step or process to be followed before the dispute can be referred to arbitration or litigation for final resolution. And broadly speaking, these clauses usually involve one or more of a discussion between the parties or their senior management to try to agree a settlement, and or two, an obligation to engage in mediation or some other form of alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, before finally, three, the dispute can be referred to arbitration or litigation for final resolution. So the first point on the slide is why and what. So what are they? So as mentioned earlier, dispute board is a term used to describe a variety of different arrangements where parties to a contract jointly appoint one or more independent and impartial people to act in some form of dispute avoidance or dispute resolution capacity. And so why would that be required or desired on an international construction and engineering project? Well, there's a number of reasons. This can include the desire to avoid or limit as much as possible the high time and cost that's traditionally incurred when disputes arise on international construction and engineering contracts. This includes management time, legal and other costs, other hidden costs such as loss of business relationships and opportunities for new works. Those courts found that the DAB was a condition precedent to arbitration or court litigation, and they both found that a party may only proceed direct to arbitration or court litigation where the mission of a standing DAB had expired before the dispute arose, or other limited circumstances such as the inability to constitute as a DAB due to the intransigence of one of the parties. The Swiss court ultimately permitted the DAB to be avoided because on the facts it found it would be contrary to the principle of good faith in Swiss law to allow one party to insist on the DAB procedure. And the English court in the Peterborough case insisted on the DAB procedure and granted a stay of the court proceedings until the DAB procedure had been completed.